Hi, my name is Jamie Park, and I am here live at CES Las Vegas covering beauty, fashion, tech, and AI, and what is the latest and greatest when it comes to tech and AI trends for the industry. This is the only video breaking down beauty and fashion tech at CES 2025. You won't find this insider look anywhere else, so make sure to watch this video. I'm giving you the exclusive scoop on all the innovations that are going to shape 2025 and beyond. I'm going to spill the tea on what's next in the beauty and fashion industry when it comes to tech, AI, and wearable fashion tech. Let's get into it. Skincare technology is transforming how we personalize our beauty routines with the power of AI. We have the Korean AI Scalp Analyzer from Adam Huvis. This device uses AI to scan your scalp and provide a personalized diagnosis. It analyzes sebaceous levels, hair density, and more to give you the best recommendations for your scalp care routine and personalized products. This is next level beauty tech. Medicube is bringing professional RF-powered treatments right to your home. They just launched the mini version of the Ajar Booster Pro, the smaller portable version of the beauty tech device made viral by Hailey Bieber. I tested and I'm retesting it because you have to use it every day. I'm doing a 30-day glow up challenge. Stay tuned for my review. Check out my 25 tools to help you glow up and rebrand in 2025 video, which includes this device and more. High Focus Shot, a tool I was lucky enough to get my hands on that is only available in Korea right now. This high frequency art technology helps boost collagen, tighten skin, and reduce fine lines. Perfect Core AI beauty technology. They had a setup in the creator space at CES 2025. Virtual try-ons and real-time skin analysis is now more accurate than ever, and it's transforming the shopping experience. Sephora, Estee Lauder, and L'Oreal are already using Perfect Core's technology to make their beauty shopping experiences more personalized with AI. I had the exclusive opportunity as media for the digital runway to attend L'Oreal Group's Beauty Tech Innovation Gallery at CES 2025. I had a walkthrough of The Beauty Genius with Beatrice Dotzenberg, Global Director of Beauty Tech Services at L'Oreal. It's a 24/7 AI-powered beauty assistant that gives personalized skincare advice using selfies and diagnostics. It even helps with deep beauty questions, all without talking to a real person. L'Oreal's Cell Bioprint is using 3D bioprinting to custom create skincare tailored to your skin's needs. It's personalized beauty printed for you. This is the future of skincare, and honestly, I'm here for it. DM me. I would love to try it. Vitamin LED Dual Therapy Device combines red light therapy with temperature control for med spa level skin rejuvenation at home. Boosts collagen, reduce fine lines, hair growth, and improve skin elasticity. This device will bring the luxury to your skin and hair care routine in the comforts of your own home. Let's talk wearable fashion tech, a term that I coined and discussed in the Digital Runway report. You can use the QR code to download the free report with the 2025 trends, AI tools, and more. Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses. If you haven't seen my full review, you have to go and check out my Ray-Ban Meta glasses review, plus a walkthrough of the virtual try-on. There was a commercial for the Super Bowl where Chris Pratt, Chris Hemsworth, and even Kris Jenner glasses were everywhere. X-Real, augmented reality, AR glasses that expanded the field of view, giving a more immersive AR experience, while Rokid's AI-powered assistants are literally turning glasses into wearable computers that allow you to stay connected and productive on the go. Vormi is shaking things up with clothing that tracks body temperature and humidity in real time. Their Hypershell Exoskeleton enhances endurance and reduces strain for outdoor enthusiasts and athletes. This is the future of performance wear and comfort. Have you ever tried something like this? Flarinette Perfume Hairdryer is the world's first high-end hairdryer infused with perfume. Not only do you get that blowout, but your hair also smells like luxury fragrance. I had the honor of not only attending CES's media, but also moderating a conversation on how wearable fashion tech is reshaping fitness, lifestyle, and fashion. Samsung, Snapchat, MindMics, and XR Workout shared insights. Watch the full panel and drop your thoughts or questions on wearable fashion tech. That's a wrap from CES 2025. Which of these tech innovations are you most excited about? Do you have any questions? Comment below. Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. See you next week.